Hello, fellow adventurers. Today we're diving into a topic that's often overlooked but absolutely essential: hygiene in a campervan. Whether you're new to van life or a seasoned traveler, staying clean on the road is an art form, and it's probably a little different than you might think. So let's get ready to uncover some practical tips that will keep you feeling fresh and confident while exploring the open road. Ready to start the journey? We are Xavier and Caroline, and we toured Europe for 2 years in a motorhome, all while working and earning a living. During this trip, we gained experience and some tips to both discover countries but also earn enough money to protect ourselves from the future. So don't hesitate to subscribe to our YouTube channel, but also to our other networks where we provide free useful content on van life and digital nomadism. And now let's go back to our content. First things first, what's the deal with the stereotypes surrounding hygiene in van life? We've all heard them. Van lifers are smelly hippies, or they take baths in rivers every day. But how much truth is there to these ideas? Well, let's break it down. The notion that van lifers are unclean is as outdated as saying all New Yorkers eat pizza every day. It's just not accurate. In reality, most people who live on the road have simply adapted different techniques to maintain their hygiene. And trust me, they're as clean as anyone else. Now, about that daily river bath myth. Yes, it happens, but not as often as you might think. While a dip in a river can be refreshing, most van lifers rely on solar showers, campgrounds, or service stations. And as for the no real toilets cliché, well, that's a story for another time. So what's the difference between a van, a campervan, and a motorhome when it comes to shower comfort? Each type of vehicle offers a different level of comfort when it comes to showering. If you're traveling in a van, your shower setup is going to be pretty minimal. Think sponge baths or portable solar showers. It's basic, but it gets the job done and gives you a true sense of adventure. Don't forget to pack a solid deodorant. Moving up in comfort, we have the campervan, which offers a bit more variety. Some have indoor showers, others have outdoor setups, and some might have nothing at all. If you're lucky, you might get to enjoy a warm rinse inside. If not, you'll get used to showering outdoors, hopefully with a bit of privacy. Finally, there's the motorhome, the epitome of on-the-road luxury. Most motorhomes come with full bathrooms, complete with a shower, sink, and even a toilet. You'll have the comfort of home, but with the challenge of conserving water. But how do you prepare for hygiene before hitting the road? Before setting off, it's all about being smart with your packing. You won't have space for your entire bathroom cabinet, so you need to prioritize. First up, choose your products wisely. Multi-purpose solid soaps are a game changer. They work as body wash, shampoo, and even laundry detergent. Not only are they versatile, but they're also eco-friendly and save space. You'll also want to pack a good deodorant and consider switching to a bamboo toothbrush and toothpaste tablets to fully embrace that eco-van life vibe. These little changes make a big difference in reducing waste and conserving water. When it comes to gear, a microfiber towel is a must. It dries quickly and takes up hardly any space. Add a washcloth or two for quick freshen-ups and a collapsible basin that can double as your dishwashing station. And of course, a portable solar shower is a great investment if you're in a van. On those days when even that feels like too much, biodegradable wipes are a lifesaver. Alright, so what are your options for washing up while on the road? Let's talk about the different ways you can stay clean in a campervan. If you've got a built-in shower, consider yourself lucky. It's convenient and gives you the freedom to wash up whenever you want. Just be mindful of water use. Campervan showers typically run only when you press a button, but it's easy to overdo it. No built-in shower? Don't worry. Portable solar showers are an excellent alternative. They're like mini water heaters that you can place on your campervan's roof. Just fill it up, let it heat in the sun, and you've got a warm shower ready to go. Efficiency is key here, so keep those showers short. For the more adventurous, there's the outdoor shower cabin. It's a bit like showering in the wild, but with added privacy. Just be cautious of any onlookers and unexpected gusts of wind. A swimsuit might be a good idea to keep things decent. And finally, the good old sponge bath. It's the most basic option, but it's incredibly effective. All you need is a washcloth, a bit of water, a basin, and some soap. It's perfect for those days when you're parked in the city or just need a quick refresh. And there you have it. You're now equipped with everything you need to stay clean and fresh while living the van life. Whether you're in a minimalistic van, a middle ground camper van, or a luxury motorhome, you can maintain your hygiene with a little organization and the right tools. So, forget those outdated stereotypes. Van lifers can be just as clean and well-groomed as anyone else on the road. Now, go out there, enjoy your travels, and who knows, you might just discover some new hygiene hacks of your own along the way. Safe travels and happy showering.